In this video, we're going to cover how to copy a course in the MyMathLab system. The first thing that you want to do is open a browser window and then type into the address bar the following address: www.mymathlab.com. Now when you press enter, you'll be taken to the login screen for MyMathLab. Find the sign in button and go ahead and click it. Now enter in your username and password. Once you've logged into the system, you will be brought to the page that lists out all of your classes that you have set up or have taught in the past. Look near the top of this list for the button that says Create/Copy Course. Go ahead and click on that. From this page, you can select, say, starting from a completely blank course, or actually copy a course. The copy option is probably one of the best because you can end up copying from previous semesters or even copy one of the templates that have been created by the department. I'm going to go ahead and select Copy Another Instructor's Course so I can copy the Math 108 template. To copy this template, I will enter in the course's ID. There we go. And now I'll hit Go. Now there's a little bit of information that we want to enter in before it will actually create the course. The first thing that we'll type in is the course's name. Now you can really call these things anything you want, but here's a few things that I like to do when naming my course. The first thing that I like to do is specify what semester this is for. So this is spring of 2013, and then of course I'll list out the course, Math 108. Then I think it's really good to list out the section number. So this will be section number 5. And last, I'll go ahead and I'll put my name on there. This is so when students are enrolling in the course, they'll know they have arrived at the right section because the Math 108 will be there and my name will be on there as well, so it will match their schedule. Now we want students to enroll in this course, so I'll make sure that course type is selected for student enrollment. Now we have to select some dates on when students can enroll in this course and when it will be open. I want students to start enrolling immediately, so I'll just set this for January 14th, which is today. As for the end date, this is when the system will no longer allow students to sign up for this particular course. I'm going to give students at least a couple of weeks to enroll in the course, just in case anyone is switching or happens to get in a little bit late. 2 weeks should be plenty, but if they do try and get into the course after that, the system will not let them. Alright, you can see that the course start date is already set for today, and we'll enter in the course end date for a little bit closer to the end of the semester. Our semester for the spring of 2013 ends on the 17th, but I have to keep grades for 30 days after the end of the semester, so I'm actually going to put the end date a little bit farther out. In fact, I'm going to put this way in August. This should give me plenty of time to back up my grades and also have that 30-day window after the end of the semester. Alright? Now I might want to use this for future semesters, so I'll select the radio button that says Available for Copy. Alright, that's all the information we need for now. So click on the button that says Create Course. Now it'll take a little bit for the course to be created, but in the meantime it gives us information on the name of our course and also the course ID of this course. You'll want to give students the course ID so that they can start enrolling in the course. If we want to copy another course, we can select this button down here and it will bring us through the process one more time. I'm going to go back to the courses page so you can see that it has been added to the course list. So there it is near the top, and it has a little clock next to it because it hasn't quite been added yet, but it will soon get there. When it has been completely added, this will turn into a hyperlink, and then I can click on it and go into the course.